Good morning, students. We are continuing lesson number 2, organizing data in Windows 7, and our topic for today is working with files and folders. What type of operations we can perform with the files and folders, like how to create files and folders, how to copy, how to rename, how to move and files and folders we will study in this session. First we are studying how to open a file. आज हम पढ़ेंगे सबसे पहले कि जो ऑलरेडी फाइल क्रिएटेड है उनको कैसे ओपन करते हैं. सो फॉर ओपनिंग द फाइल, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी ओपन आवर विंडोज़ एक्सप्लोरर सॉफ्टवेयर. विंडोज़ एक्सप्लोरर एक्चुअली इज़ यूज टू मैनेज एंड ऑर्गेनाइज फाइल्स एंड फोल्डर्स, एंड वी विल सी टू मेथड्स आर हियर. either you right click on the start button and click on open windows explorer, or simply press windows and E together to open the windows explorer. आप शॉर्टकट की का मेथड भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Now this is the window of Windows Explorer. In Windows Explorer you will see left side shows the drive name and folders or subfolders, and right side part shows the content of the selected drive or folder. आप देखेंगे इस पिक्चर में मैंने द PC selected है, तो all the drives are coming in the right side. Okay. Now once you have opened the Windows Explorer, go to the drive and go to the particular folder जहाँ पे कि आपको उसके कंटेंट को ओपन करना है. In this you will see that D drive is selected, or in D drive I want to open presentation 6. To open the presentation 6 we have to double click the file, and file will be open to our computer. Okay. Now that was a method to open a file. अब now if you have to create a new file or folder that was not existing on our computer, जो file और folder हमारे कंप्यूटर पे नहीं थे, अगर हमें उनको create करना है new, so what we will do, we will right click in the content area and choose new. In new, if you want to create a new folder, we will click on the folder option. If you want to create a Word file, we will click on a Microsoft Word document. Okay, so this way we will create a new file or folder. Once the file or folder will be created, they get the default name. अगर हमें उनका नाम चेंज करना है तो we have to double click on the name and we will type a new name and click outside of the text box. So that new file or folder will be saved with the new name. Okay. Next, the file we are using, if you want to rename it, we don't want the previous name, we want to give the new name, then we will use a rename option. हम rename option use करेंगे. For that, go to the file or folder whose name you want to change. Right click on it. You will see there is a rename option. आप rename option पे click कर दीजिए, and then again you will see that text box will open. Erase the previous name and type the new name. After typing the new name, click outside of the text box and file will be saved with the new name. So this way we will rename the file or folder. Now children, we will study how to copy or file or folder from one place to another place. Copy command actually creates the duplicate copy of file and folder. Okay, so to copy any file or folder, first of all we have to right click on the file or folder, then we have to click on a copy option. Okay, now we have to go to the other file, other folder or drive, and simply right click on it and click paste option. That file or folder will be placed in the करंट फोल्डर. ओके, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने यहाँ पे न्यू 2 पे पेस्ट क्लिक किया है, तो यू विल सी दैट कंप्यूटर फाइल इज ऑल्सो कॉपीड टू द न्यू 2 फोल्डर. सो दिस इज द वे टू कॉपी अ फाइल यूजिंग विंडोज एक्सप्लोरर. नाउ एज वी हैव कॉपीड वी कैन मूव फाइल और फोल्डर, बट व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन मूविंग एंड कॉपिंग? कॉपी क्रिएट्स अ डुप्लीकेट कॉपी ऑफ फाइल एंड फोल्डर, एंड मूव only change the location of file and folder. Okay, so to move a file or folder we have to right click on the file or folder. This time we will click on a cut option, and then we will go to the new location and click on the right click and click on the paste option. That file or folder will be moved to the new location. It will not create a duplicate copy. Okay. Now, earlier methods were based on the Windows Explorer, है ना? But if you want to use shortcut keys to just perform copy or move option, we will use the shortcut keys like Ctrl plus C for copy, Ctrl plus X for cut, and Ctrl plus V for paste. So with the help of shortcut key, we can also perform these two operations. Now children, there is another method also for copying and moving a file, that is drag and drop method. For this, first of all, we have to open two windows like arrow snap feature. And when two windows are on our screen, we can simply drag and drop the file or folder from one window to another window. So now when we drag and file from one window to another window, it will move the file. But if we want to copy, then first we have to click on the file, we have to continuously press Ctrl key, and then we have to drag the file to the other window. So this will create a duplicate copy of file and folder. So these are the methods to copy or move a file. Now our today's topic is over, and this is the answer key of last assignment, and this is the assignment for this week. Thank you.